I'm here at the IWI tent with the new X95. This is a version of the Tavor. They've moved the magazine release forward instead of to the rear. It's got a smaller bolt catch, also to the rear, redesigned trigger guard. It's got a lighter trigger pack, and kind of neat, they've got pick rail. You can see that hidden underneath these hand guards. So all in all, it's a 28-inch package, about 28 inches. And then it's the, what, a 16-inch barrel on this? 16.5-inch barrel, very compact, lightweight. Let's see how it shoots. One hand? Just shooting one hand?
No, all the way back in your shoulder.
Okay.
One hand.
Anyway, fantastic. Here's your
and that's your advantage.
Very nice. For those of you, some people might not have liked the original Tavor trigger. I can tell you this one's a lot lighter weight. The X95 trigger will also be available for the older model Tavors if you want to upgrade and get a little bit lighter trigger. Great package from IWI.